This is something I see every day. There is a massive difference between learning and doing. I see people attend every single webinar, study every new product that comes out, and spend 90% of their time studying. It's great to learn when you start, but at the end of the day, the only thing that will move you forward in your business is putting in the work. You should work 80% and study 20%. You shouldn't be studying anything until you get your work done every day. When you first start out, it's fine to study and absorb information, but pick a method and make a commitment to stick with it and make it work. Don't jump to a new method every week because the next method looks better. This is why people fail. It's one thing to hear how to do something and another to actually follow the instructions and take action on what you learn. It's actually a lot harder to follow instructions than people think. We all bring our biases and previous knowledge into things, and that colors our view of what we're being told to do. And so we start plowing our own path instead of following in the footsteps of our trainer or mentor. If you're doing this, stop right now and think about what you're doing. You will never get to the end goal without getting in the trenches, putting in the work and learning what does and doesn't work for you.